Welcome back to investment series from Market Secrets. In this episode, we are going to see one of the retirement planning products available in India, which is PPF, that is Public Provident Fund. Before we get into the session, I have one notification for you. In addition to investment series, we have multiple other series running in parallel on price action trading, algo trading, and trading strategies. Also, we have multiple data feeds being provided for our users. So if you are interested in any of it, do check out our website, which is www.marketsecrets.in. So with that note, let's jump into today's session, which is on Public Provident Fund, that is PPF. PPF is a government-backed long-term small savings investment scheme which was initially started by the government because it wanted to provide retirement security for self-employed individuals and workers in the unorganized sector. EPF, which we discussed in the previous episode, was primarily targeted towards employees in the organized sector, whereas PPF was designed keeping in mind of the retirement needs of self-employed people and also people in the unorganized sector. But it is being used by employees in the organized sector as well. So what are the key features of PPF? Number one, interest rate. Effective 2022, the interest rate at this moment is 7.1 percentage per annum, compounded annually. And when it comes to the tenure of investment, it's 15 years, and the maturity type is lump sum. You will get all your investment amount in one shot at the end of 15-year period. And when it comes to minimum and maximum investment of PPF, the minimum amount is 500 per annum, and the upper limit is 1.5 lakhs per annum. And when it comes to tax benefit, under ATC section, you can contribute up to 1.5 lakh rupees in PPF, which is tax deductible, and even the interest earned is tax exempt as well. That's the beauty of PPF. So any return that you get from PPF is completely tax free. And when it comes to NRI friendliness, nope, NRIs are not eligible to open an account under Public Provident Fund scheme. However, if you already have a PPF account when you are a resident in India and during the tenure of PPF account you become an NRI, then you are eligible to continue investing in the account until it matures, but on non-repairable basis. And when it comes to loan facility, yes, you can avail a loan from your PPF account from the third year of opening your account to the sixth year. Also, loan amount will be restricted to a maximum of 25% of the balance in your account at the end of 2 financial year period. And when it comes to withdrawal facility, customers can make one withdrawal every year from the seventh financial year of their investment of an amount that does not exceed 50% of the balance at the end of 4 financial years per year or the amount at the end of the preceding year, whichever is lower. And now, how to open a PPF account? Almost all the big banks have facility to open PPF account, and if you have a regular savings account and net banking, you can just do it online in few simple clicks. So, how many PPF account I can open? You are allowed to have only one PPF account at any point in time. So last question, should you open a PPF account? Well, only you can decide on it. If you have a huge corpus or intend to build one, then PPF definitely has a place as some portion of your debt holdings can be done through PPF, which is safe, secure and tax-free and offers compounding. So, do you own a PPF account? If not, why? And if yes, are you utilizing it fully and are you fully aware of the benefits? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you have any queries, comments, or feedback about this episode, please leave it down in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer it. Also, hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.